So we're gonna go up, and she's gonna go for my face.
It's so pretty on this camera.
Okay, ready?
So what I'm doing this. See this? Okay. Got it? So when we're touching, and I go up, I'm going up, and I go up, up. This is sword sensitivity training. So you're getting used to when it touches the blade, okay? Got it? Thank you. Okay, so touch. Okay. So I'm going like this. I'm on top. Okay. How's this? Up. Okay.
Oh my god.
See that? From this way. Now she comes over. So if I don't go up, I get cut. If I go up,
Move up, yeah.
so we're doing this now. See the difference? See the difference? What you doing? You touch. I'm gonna go up to her head. She's gonna go up towards my head. Okay. And then we're gonna start to move.
Ooh, it feels so cool.
See, it's sliding. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna bring it towards my left. Side up. Just so I can guide a little bit. Don't have to hold tight. Pull back. So, okay, connect. First impression of using
Sword, lightsabers.
or light swords.
It's light swords. It's very unique and it works my arm muscles, so it's good exercise.
Usually I just sit it down.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a circle.
Good job, guys.
Awesome.
My first impression about this class is that it was very impressive. Works the arms for sure. And it's like very flowy. So, yeah.
Would you recommend it to anybody else?
Yes, I recommend this class.
Would you recommend it?
Yes, I would.
You're not getting forced to say this yet.
Yeah, it's not. No.
I know. Horace, you want to say anything?
Exciting little
Okay.
class. It's
It's
a great
exciting.
workout. Great workout.
Ooh, okay.